Dude, I was out here for like 2.5 hours cleaning up. And this is what it looks like again after an hour later. You can hardly tell that I used a snowblower and cleaned everything out, including the driveway. It's cray-cray. This is a bigger storm than we've had in a while. And it's basically like powder, a skier's dream. It's you can handle it in your hand like sand. I cleaned all this too. You can kind of see the edge of the lawn. Yeah. Yo, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more.